Welcome to the Bolsa Chica Wetlands here at the Bolsa Chica Interpretive Center. My name is Patrick Brendan. I'm the CEO of the Bolsa Chica Conservancy, and we're here today on Earth Day for a very unusual kind of an Earth Day. And I'm joined by some very special people that I want to introduce, starting with some of my terrific board members. P.T. Townend, we've got Phil Smith, and Mr. Jeff Hyder. Thank you, gentlemen, for being here, and thank you for your work on the board. We also have some of our wonderful staff members here, starting with Whitney, and this is Jeanette, and this is Kirsten, and this is Eric. So they are the ones, yes, let's hear it for them. These are the folks that are making sure that we're fulfilling our mission of protecting, preserving, and restoring this incredible open space called the Bolsa Chica. Today we also have with us a really special honored guests. And so happy to have them here with us. I'm going to introduce former mayor and current councilwoman Barbara Delglaze. Barbara, yay. Come on forward.
All right, I will.
I'm going to hold the mic and you can...
Is this when I get to do this?
You get to do it.
I'm so excited. Hello, everybody out there in Huntington Beach land. Happy Earth Day to you. I'm very excited about being here today with our CEO, Patrick Brendan. And so many of you have been to the Bolsa Chica. You know how fabulous it really, really is. Patrick and his staff are in charge of keeping it wonderful and beautiful for us and forever. And on behalf of the City Council, our Mayor, Kim Carr, and everybody who loves being here in Huntington Beach, the Bolsa Chica is a very special place. And we have a proclamation for Patrick on Earth Day. And nobody deserves it more than you and your staff do. You do amazing work here, and it's really a treat to come here and see all the different exhibits. And don't you have something coming up here pretty soon towards the end of the year that...
We do, actually. Thank you for the setup, Barbara.
You're welcome.
It is an exciting year for us because, as you can tell by looking at our facility, it's time for a freshen up. We need a new facility, and this year we will be embarking upon a complete renovation of the visitor experience here at the Interpretive Center.
Good.
We'll have new units coming in with all new interpretive displays, which are going to be dynamic and current and use all kinds of cool technology. It's going to be a completely different experience for the visitors that come to Bolsa Chica. It's going to be their first impression, and it's going to be a great impression. So thank you for setting that up for me.
Well, I'm so glad I was able to do that. And more importantly, you all deserve this. And thank you for your commitment to the Bolsa Chica.
Thank you, Barbara.
You betcha.
That's fantastic. At this time, I'd like to introduce a special guest, Austin Mejia, who is the field representative here today, representing our local Congresswoman Michelle Steel. Austin, good to have you here.
Hello, good afternoon. Happy Earth Day. Thank you for having us. I'm here on behalf of Congresswoman Michelle Steel, who represents the 48th Congressional District. She was wanting to have me help celebrate Earth Day with you all, and so I have a certificate of congressional recognition on behalf of Congresswoman Michelle Steel, and it's to the Bolsa Chica Conservancy. It is an acknowledgement on this Earth Day of outstanding service that the Conservancy has provided through its ecological programs and efforts since its founding in 1990. So here you go, sir, on behalf of Congresswoman Michelle Steel.
Well, thank you very much. That's excellent. Thank you, Austin.
Thank you.
So as I said, today is Earth Day, and today is a very different kind of an Earth Day because normally what you would see here at our facility on a day like today is you'd see tons of people, you'd see large crowds of people who were being dispatched into the field to do different types of restoration work, picking up trash, removing non-native vegetation and things like that that really create the habitat that we need here in order to have great wildlife and proliferation of native species and so forth. So today we can't be doing that, but we are committed to being here for another 30 years, following the 30 years we've already been here, and we'll continue with our mission to make sure that this incredibly special place called the Bolsa Chica Ecological Reserve is given the attention it needs. We're going to continue to lead people in their exploration of the wetlands and make sure that this remains a very special place. So happy Earth Day to everyone. When you have a chance today, do something for the earth. do something for the earth every day. We're going to be here doing our part. We hope you'll join us. Thank you for being here.